Today we are trying Jose Andrés nuked microwaved eggs omelette. Let's give it a go. This should be a quick one today. We're going to use 2 eggs. I know he uses 1 in his recipe, but I'm too hungry to use 1. So, got about 20 to 30 grams of melted butter. I'm going to chuck that straight in. And then I'm going to use about a tablespoon of mayo. We're going to give that a good whisk so it all incorporates, because this is an omelette. In an omelette, we need to make sure everything is well whisked. You can use a whisk. I'm just using a fork. Because I'm a gangster. That's the hard bit. Now we just got to nuke it. While we're nuking our eggs, we're going to prepare the garnish. Got some chives. Chives are so hard to work with. Why does anyone even bother? Oh, it's in there. Put it in there. Oops, did I cut a bit of the tissue there? No, I didn't. Yeah, okay. That's done. She's elevated. Oh, okay. We did not get perfect plate send off, did we? There you have it, guys. About 1 minute, 1.5 minutes in there. Just keep your eyes on it so that you can see when the wateriness stops in the microwave and when it turns into an omelette. We're going to place some chili crisps on this. I've got some I got some Sichuan chili crisps here that I got from Costco. Just gonna dip a little bit onto there. And I'm gonna go with some chives. There you go. Simple. Literally, I love simple dishes like this. Since we didn't add any salt to it as well, I am going to go with a tiny amount of soy sauce. That is the final dish. What do you reckon? How do you reckon it's gonna taste? You tell me. It looks good. I mean, realistically, with this much fat in a meal, is it not gonna taste good? That's the question. That is the question indeed. Let's go for a bite. Yum. Wow, that is so fluffy, velvety. That is perfect. Who can be bothered putting omelettes in a pan anymore? Like legit, this is the new way I make omelettes from now on. It's actually perfect pairing with that Sichuan chili crisps. So simple. The soy sauce elevates it, the Sichuan gives it that nice heat, and then the chives for that onion and flavor.